sell handmade jewelry on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your handmade jewelry on this platform. So let's get started by signing in if you already have an account, and if not, let's get started by creating our new account. So I'm just going to continue with Google, and I'm going to wait for it to sign in with my Google account. And when I finish my signing in, I'm going to get back with you. So here, after logging in or registering or creating your new account, you go to your right and you have four buttons. You have the favorites button, the updates button, and your accounts button, and also your card or your baskets button. So what we are interested in is your account button. You click on the account button, then you click on sell on Etsy, as you can see, and then here you click on get started. To get started, as you can see, you have the great value, powerful tools, support and education, and also you can start selling today. So here let's just click on get started, and then we click on let's do this, and here you just need to answer these questions. What brings you to Etsy? So I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. I have a business and want to sell online for the first time. I want to expand my online business by selling on Etsy too. I'm mainly here to explore. So I'm going to go with the first one, which is I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Then click on next, and then is there anything you'd like help with? Deciding what to sell, shop, naming and branding, selling online, taking photos of items, packing and shipping, getting discovered in search, pricing items, understanding finances and fees, marketing to new audience, moving existing listings to Etsy, selling internationally. So I'm just going to go with selling internationally, then click on next. After that, you click on start your shop, and here you can set your shop, as you can see. So you leave it as English for the shop's language. The shop country, you can choose whatever country you like, and then I'm going to change the currency to the United States dollar. It's better always to leave it in the dollars. Then click on save and continue, and then you give a name to your shop. So I'm just going to name it after my niche, which is handmade jewelry. And then let's go with save and continue. And then let's click on save and continue. So here we have a problem. Just choose, oh, we can't have spaces in the name, so it's already taken. So I'm just going to leave it handmade jewelry by Bob, then click on save and continue. After that, you will need to create listings. So here you will just need to add pictures or photos to for your products. As you can see here, primary photo, every angle again, every angle, and so on. So you just need to add your pictures or a video if you have it. Also you will need to go with the listing details. So you just need to type a title for your product. So I'm going with traditional ring, as you can see. Then I'm going to fill these informations about this listing, who made it. So I'm going to go, I did, what is it, a finished product, when did you make it. So here I'm going to choose made to order and the category of it. So I'm just going to leave the category blank. Then we have the renewal options. You have the automatic, where the listing will renew as it expires for United States dollars, 0.20 dollars each time, as you can see, which is recommended. And manual, I renew expired listings myself, so I'm just going to leave it automatic. And then if your product is a physical product or a digital, you choose one of these. So my product is a ring, so it's a physical product. And here you type the description of your product, and then you have the production partners. If you have any production partners, you add them in here. Then we have the section where I group related listings into sections to help shoppers browse. As you can see, bracelets, Father's Day, gifts, yarn, and here you would just need to add your first section, so which is optional, of course, so you can add it or no. So I'm just going to skip this. And also we have these optional tags and materials, as you can see, which is also optional if you want to add tags or materials. Then we have the price, which is very important, it's not optional. So I'm just going to give it $29.99. And for the domestic and the global pricing, set different prices for buyers in your country and buyers in other countries to account for different shipping costs. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And here you have the quantity. For quantities greater than 1, this listing will renew automatically until it sells out. You'll be charged at 0.20 United States dollar and the listing fee each time. And here we have the SKU, which is optional, so I'm just going to give it 29, or let's make it 100. And here you type the quantity of that piece that you have. If you have 20 pieces of the product, 30, or how much you have. And when you're done with this, with filling all of these information, you will just need to click on save and continue, and then you proceed to fill in these other information. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.